What is up everyone, just got some new wipers and putting it on my 2008-2012 Honda Accord Euro. These are two different sizes, so I've got a 22-inch and a 24-inch wiper blade. So my original ones aren't doing very well. As you can see, they're starting to peel and they're starting to come off a little bit as well. So the quality is not that great, as you can see just there. So definitely time to get them removed. So these are the new ones. Okay, so in size, these ones are a little bit longer. So basically what that means is by getting slightly longer ones than the original ones, they will definitely wipe a lot wider and a lot longer as well, which will help quite a lot. Definitely has a better mechanism just here as well. So this is the clip mechanism, makes it a lot easier and a lot more firmer to put in. So first things first, you need to remove this white bit if you want to put it on your blade. You can do that before or after, but it's just a simple little slide up, which is pretty standard, and that will take off the protection for the blades in case they get damaged in transit. Basically, to remove this, all you need to do underneath here, there's a little groove or a little clip, and all you're going to need to do is you need to remove it off that. So, and to do so, you just need to unclip it off there, and to do that, you just pull it down, I believe, if it wants to come out. Let's see if it wants to come out. So okay, so this looks like this, I think this is a pin one. So alright, let's see what's come out. So guys, just figured this out. So basically, to remove them, all you need to do is pop that open, and underneath you see this little groove bit just here. That's where it's sitting inside this little hole. You'll see this little thing just here. Basically, that's a little clip. You just need to hold this one down. Okay, and then you should be able to just slowly pull it off. And then once you remove that little thing, it will just slide off just like that. And basically, that's how it's going to look. So once it slides off, you just need to rip it off. And that is done. So with the new one, this looks like it is a pin clip. So this is the first time I'm using this, so you guys will see everything I'm doing. Trying to do this one hand isn't exactly the easiest thing to do, so I'll just show you guys how it's gonna look. Okay, so now that that's open, again, same sort of style. We just need to clip this part here at the bottom, just here, and then stick that through. Let's see this one wants to come out. That should go out like that. Okay, so it goes into there. Okay, moving up. Maybe I should go this way. No. How does that even work? So I'm guessing that goes up here. Aha. Alright, so what you need to do is that goes open, little hole there, that goes into the hole, and then this bit clips into this other little bit just here. So lift it up, and and that should slide into place. Easy as that. And push it all the way up, make sure it's always locked in where you want it. And then this bit is supposed to click on once it does. So you just need to make sure this thing is all the way in before you can even get to clip it up. So I'm gonna just try and see if it's all the way in first. So I've had problem with these in the past as well, where this top bit doesn't latch all the way down, but you can obviously break it and get rid of it if you don't really care. So it's just short, just a little bit, but hopefully that should be it. But all you need to do now is just adjust it just until it fits perfectly, just like right now. That should be good. And then this head goes across, and that is how you do that one. Then you got to do the same with the second side, exactly the same way. Again, pull off, just do it. It should be sweet. You know what? I'll just do it since I'm here. I might as well show you guys how to do it. I'll go for this second one. Just come on the other side. Again, pop open this new one. Boom. So, same thing, should be a lot easier. This comes up. To remove this, again, little clip goes down. Pull the rest down while you do that. All right, so once you've done that, it should come down, pops off, easy. All right, and again, with this one, open the clip. So the clip should come straight off, hopefully. So press these two sides. Your one might look a little bit different to mine, depending on how it's made. So that clips off like that. And again, that goes into this hole, straight in. Okay, goes right in like that. That little bit goes inside there, into the middle. That should go all the way through, and make sure it's all the way through, just like that. This one comes down, clamp it down, remove this little protector, and boom, there you go. There you have it. So now they're a little bit longer, it will wipe all the way through. So if you guys have a look at the difference between the old wiper and the new wiper, you see this one here would have been lashed around there, so it would have been a little bit shorter. So with this new one, it's actually gonna, you can see just here as well, you can see the little line just across there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, just here. This one goes a little bit further, so you're going to get a lot more depth with this one. So guys, that is how you remove a wiper blade from a 2008-2012 Honda Accord Euro CU2 model 2.4 litre K24 car. There you go. Make sure to like and subscribe.